In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format your text into columns using LibreOffice Writer. We'll go through each step to ensure you can create a professional-looking document with ease. Whether you're working on a newsletter, a brochure, or simply want to present information more effectively, mastering column layout can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your computer and double-click the LibreOffice icon. Once you've done that, navigate your way to the Start Center. There, you'll find an option labeled Writer Document. Click on that, and just like magic, a new blank document will appear, ready for your creative input. Now, if you already have some text you've written and want to format it into columns, you'll need to start by highlighting the portion of the text you wish to transform. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text to select it. On the other hand, if your document is currently a blank slate, feel free to skip this step and move right along with me to the column settings. Once you are happy with your text selection or ready to proceed in your blank document, look up at the top of your screen for the menu bar. You'll want to click on Format, which will bring down a menu. From there, find and click on Columns. It's that easy. Doing so will summon the Columns dialog box, filled with customizable options. Now that we have the Columns dialog box open, it's time to choose the number of columns you desire for your document. Under the settings, you can specify exactly how many columns you'd like, whether it's 2, 3, or more, depending on your specific needs. Additionally, this is a great moment to consider the spacing between those columns. If your layout feels cramped or too spread out, adjust the spacing to your liking. For an added visual touch, you might even consider using the separator line option, which can be helpful in distinguishing between titled sections. Finally, after you've made all the necessary adjustments to suit your project's requirements, you simply need to click OK. With that single click, your page or selected text will transform, displaying in the neat, orderly columns you've specified. And there you have it. Your text is now beautifully organized into columns, ready for any presentation or publication. Formatting text in LibreOffice. Writer provides a simple yet powerful tool to enhance the readability and aesthetic of your documents. Feel free to play around with these settings to find the perfect format for your particular use case. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using LibreOffice. Happy writing!